to AATV, and today I'm actually going to be, what's the word I want to say? Immerse myself? Today I am going to immerse myself in a world of Stranger Things. Ooh, strange things. Sorry. I'm in a shed. I'm about to go in a shed. Okay, there's a propane tank. This is so scary. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is an old shed in the middle of the night. Why am I here? Okay, this is so scary. What is going on? That looks like a dead person right there. There's a dead person there. Alright, someone really needs to come over here and clean this shed. It's so dirty. This looks like my garage. I don't want to do this. This guy is so weird. Oh my gosh! Oh, please! Oh, I'm getting too close to him. I'm getting too close. How do I move out of this thing? How do I move? I'm gonna have to move. Okay. Ah! I have to sit? Okay. I can't look at this guy. I can't. Ah! Oh, that was so scary. Oh wow, I'm in it. This is really real. I am in the Stranger Things living room. Okay, it's Halloween night. There's vintage Halloween decorations, which are terrifying me. I don't want it. I want some of the candy. Okay, guys. Okay, there's a car outside. Not today, Satan. Not today. Okay. My heart is beating really fast. There's some things coming out of the wall there. Okay. Alright. Where's the telephone? Winona, right? Winona! Help me! Oh dear. This is not the dimension I was wanting to live in right now. And, oh dear. Ah! Ah! Okay. I was really afraid there, and I probably messed up my lips. I gotta get some weed killer up in here. I don't know. Oh, this is amazing. This is so cool. Like, I'm reliving. Oh! No solicitors. I'm not here. I'm here. Help! Ah! Oh, I know that thing. Oh dear. I'm just sitting here being quiet and doing absolutely nothing. Ah! Oh! Ah! Ah! Wait, he could hear me. You know where the restroom is? The decorating in this living room is atrocious, and on top of that, there is a being. There's someone coming from the front door. Uber Eats? I shouldn't have ordered that at Grubhub. Like, seriously. Like, no, go away. Ah! He's over there. I am infected. Oh! Him! Take him! Oh, thank God. Whew. Ah! I don't want it. No! Ah! Ah! Oh. No. I've seen you before. Once upon a dream. No. You know what? I can stand up to you. You can't talk to me like that. No! You can't. Wow. Oh! Thanks, dude. I thought he was gonna suck the life out of me. Take him out. Good job. Are you gonna help me? Help me. Whoa. I'm gonna have to get my friends on this because this is cool. What? Okay. Oh no! You're gonna help me? What? Alright, well, I guess this is the end, and I cannot move anywhere, so. You know what? This is pretty strange. This is terrifying. Wow! Wow. Oh my gosh, that's super cool. I didn't even see you there. Did I? Ah! Oh! That was so terrifying. I loved it. That was so awesome. Let's do it again. Let's do it again.
All right.
That was so awesome, Eric.
Hold on.
Can you do it? I've gone to Halloween Horror Nights, haunted houses. Something about VR is just even more terrifying, especially that I'm sitting and the game, when you're actually viewing the game itself, you feel so helpless, like you can't move. So the scares come up to you close that you have no way of getting away from it. The sounds, the details, it was just absolutely amazing. It's mind-blowing. Like, my heart was racing, and I'm not lying. It felt like I was actually in the room, the Stranger Things home in the living room. This surpasses the haunted house at Halloween Horror Night. I was alone with, I believe, can you remind me of Dementors? No, not Dementors. That's Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
The flower monster.
The flower monsters.
No,
I remember. Oh gosh, Tracy knows. They're called
it's in the front
Dementrons or something. There was Demigorgons. Winona was nowhere to be found. I was just terrified. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. Tell me what you think about VR games. And well, I'm ready to do it again. Let's do this. Oh, will it fit over my ears? No.